So let's make some baked spaghetti. So my dad used to make this recipe all the time, and everybody loves it. Every time we make it, there's no more pieces left, and people are just fighting for the last slice. And it's a pretty simple and easy recipe. It's a one-to-one recipe, so you don't need too many ingredients, and it's pretty easy to make. So I'm gonna show you today how to make it. So here's everything you need. Everything on the screen is gonna be the ingredients you're gonna be putting into this pasta, and you can find it at your nearest grocery store. It's pretty basic ingredients for some spaghetti. And then for the mushrooms, you're going to start with that first. You want to cut off the stem and just keep the head. And then for the onion, you're just going to want to small dice it. You can use a white or yellow onion. Doesn't really matter. Maybe not a red onion though, because that's just weird. But yeah, just dice that up. And then you're going to mince some garlic as well. And then on a medium hot pan, you want to throw in maybe around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you want to saute your onions and garlic for a little bit. And after that, you want to throw in some of those mushrooms. And you're just going to let that cook up a little bit. It's fine if it's not fully cooked. It'll cook in the sauce. And then you want to throw your ground beef in there. We use around 1.5 pounds. And we season that with salt and pepper, and then just mix everything in so all the flavors can incorporate well together. Next up, we have the tomato paste. You just want to throw the whole can of tomato paste in there and just mix everything up, same thing. And after that, you want to throw the diced tomatoes in there as well. You want to cut it up a little bit too so it can, incorporate into the sauce a little better. After that, you want to add the whole jug of Prego. The Prego we use is low sodium. Just throw the whole thing in there. It's fine. After that, we're going to throw a lid on top around 95% of the way so it can breathe a little bit. And then while that's cooking, we're going to shred around 1 pound of mozzarella and 1 pound of cheddar. And after that, we'll come back to the sauce, throw some salt and Italian seasoning on there. And then we'll throw our mozzarella in. Just mix it up slowly so all the cheese can get into every single noodle. And at the end, we're going to cover the top with a thin layer of cheddar. The last thing we're going to do is throw it into the oven and broil it on high. This is to ensure we can get this crusty cheese on top. And it should take around like 5 to 10 minutes. And it should look something like that. It's a pretty crispy cheese on top, but we're going to add some more cheese, some fresh Parmesan on top. If you like cheese, I think you'll love this recipe. If not, it might hurt your stomach, but honestly, it's pretty worth it. So if you ever have the time, try out this recipe and you won't regret it. It's one of the best spaghettis I've ever had in my life, so just try it out.